morning! Today is not a story, it's about a rare and special animal from Indonesia. The Komodo dragon is the biggest lizard in the world. It can grow up 3 meters long. It lives only on the farmland in Indonesia, like Komodo Inland. Komodo dragons are strong and dangerous. They eat meat such as deer and pig. They have poisonous that can kill their prey. Sadly, Komodo dragon is dangerous because people are cutting trees and with fur is changing. We need to protect them so they don't disappear. Thank you for watching. I'm Salsa from Nigeria, and that's all for today and for news. Bye.